Good afternoon everyone and welcome to this video. In this class 9th, today we have to do the area of equilateral triangle by using Heron's formula. Okay, so let us start with the triangle Heron's formula. So if a triangle having sides A, B, C, then we have to find the semi-perimeter of triangle, that is what denoted by S, and it becomes A plus B plus C divided by 2. The sum of all the three sided then divided by 2. This is what semi-perimeter of the triangle. And what is the Heron's formula? Heron's formula is what? Area of triangle, that is equal to under root of S into S minus A into S minus B and S minus C. Okay, if the A, B, C are the sides of the triangle. Okay, and semi perimeter of triangle S is what? Sum of all sides divided by 2. Okay, we did in the earlier class, but today we talking about the area of the equilateral triangle. Okay, how we can find the area of equilateral triangle? The equilateral triangle means all the sides of the triangle are equal. Okay, uh, now that means let it A and A, because all sides are equal. That's why we can choose the A for all sides, that is all sides are equal, that's why it is A and A we can take. Now what we can find the S, that is semi perimeter of triangle for this equilateral triangle. Suppose this S is what? Sum of all three sides, means A plus A plus A. Okay, A plus A plus A divided by 2, and A plus A plus A means 3A. Okay, then 3A divided by 2. This is the semi perimeter for this equilateral triangle. Now we can find the area of equilateral triangle by applying the Heron's formula. Now area of triangle, that is S into S minus A, S minus B and S minus C. So we can say कि S is equal to what? 3A by 2 into S minus A, that is 3A by 2, by substituting the values of S, okay, here, and A, B, C, because A, B, C are the same, that's why we can take A all. Okay, 3A by 2 minus A, again 3A by 2 minus A and 3A by 2 minus A. All these three factors should be same because all sides are equal, because A, B, C, all three sides are equal to A. That's why these three factors would remain same. Now by solving this square root, we can simplify the further steps. This will remain same. Now we're taking the LCM all in these three factors. So what will be the LCM here? It is 2 and this is nothing here, so that's why its denominator is 1. Okay, and LCM of 2 and 1 is 2, and if 2 is divided by 2, then we get 1. Okay, then 1 is multiplying with 3A, so we got 3A here. Okay, now 2 is divided by this 1, we get 2, and 2 into A is 2A. Similarly, we can find all these three factors, and which will be same as, that's why it will become 3A minus 2A divided by 2, and again 3A minus 2 divided by 3A minus 2A divided by 2. And now you can say 3A by 2 will remain same. And what is 3A minus 2A? 3A minus 2A. We got 1A and we can write A. Okay, only A. 3A minus 2A means only 1A. And similar here, A by 2 and again A by 2, because these three factors are same. That's why this is again A by 2, A by 2 and A by 2. Okay, now you can see there are 4 times of a into a into a into a. So we can write in this manner, a is 4 times. We can make the pairs for solving this square root, and there are 4 2's in the denominator, 2 into 2 into 2 into 2. Okay, so if you got the there, you can make the pairs, that you can say here one pair of a here and one pair of a here. Okay, and 1 2 pair of 2 pair of 2. So whenever we solve this square root, then we can write it here as, we can simplify more, that is 1a from here, we get 1a from here, and 1 get 1a from here. Okay, from the numerators. Okay, you can see a into a. Now what you get from the denominator, there are 4 times of 2, so we get only the 2 times 2. Okay, because solving the denominators, that means we can take 2 2's from the denominator and solving this square root. Then but this root 3 is remaining inside, 3 is remaining inside the root, because this is unpaired, there is no pair of 3, that's why it is remain inside the under root sign, or you can say square root sign. So now you can simplify this, so you can write this root 3 is similar, and what is this 2 into 2, that is it becomes 4 in the denominator, and what you get here, a into a, you can take this a square, because a into a, 2 times of a, that means sorry, a into a means square of a. Okay, so that means the area of this equilateral triangle will be root 3 by 4 a square. Okay, so how you get the area of equilateral triangle? But this is this comes from what? Heron's formula. Heron's formula. Okay, we applying the Heron's formula for the equilateral triangle, and we got the direct result. Okay, this result is directly used for solving the questions, but you should know from where it comes. Okay, but it comes from the using the Heron's formula. Okay, so I hope you will got this concept here. Similarly, we can do the area of the isosceles triangle. Here there are 2 sides of the same measure, and one is different side. So let me do this questions in the next video, or you can say next class. Okay, so you can try this at home, and your practice, you can verify or applying this formula for finding the numerical values. Suppose you can find the area of this triangle, if your side is this 5 centimeter. Okay, all the 3 sides are 5 centimeter, and what will be the area of triangle? So simply you can apply this formula, apply this formula, you get 3 root 3 by 4 into, what is the side? A means the side of the triangle, that is 5, and you got 5 into 5, that means 5 square. So you got 5 square is what? 5 into 5, 25. So 25, and write this root 3 unpair here and divide by 4 square centimeter. This is what? Area of triangle, equilateral triangle, this one. Okay, so what is the use of this formula directly? This one. Okay, like this numerical values, numerical questions, you can find the area of area of equilateral triangle, but it is not mentioned here by using Heron's formula, so you can apply this direct method. Okay, so that's why this is all over for about this class. So in the next class we can talk about the isosceles triangle. Okay, thank you so much for watching this video, and if you like this video, you can comment, and okay, you can say share. Thank you so much. Bye.